Good evening, Professor. Good evening, class. My name is Vincent Anthony Abu. I am accompanied by Denise Almanza and Stephanie Baldwin, and this is our contribution to our Week 8 Marketing Plan Multimedia Presentation for Business Marketing.
Green Energy Inc. creates and produces solar panels to reduce the increasing rise of environmental issues. This company will change society's behavior in order to allow consumers to adopt and use green energy alternatives to improve the quality of life. As the environment issues continue to rise, Green Energy Inc. and our partners dedicate ourselves to make a positive impact on these environmental concerns. Green Energy Inc. Manufacturing Assembly is based in Greater Illinois area with their headquarters located in New York City, which employs roughly 50 employees. The company is also working with numerous installers throughout the nation. Our partnerships are solidified and rapidly growing. Green Energy Inc. is a parent company to many of these independently owned LLCs and partnerships offering infinite possibilities for profit and expansion. Headed by a collaboration of member-managed entrepreneurs like Vincent Abu, Denise Almanza, and Stephanie Baldwin, we look to improve climate change and quality of life for our members, consumers, and our society. The mission for Green Energy Incorporated is to serve its consumers and partners alike with the utmost concern to the environment. Our mission to raise awareness and change behavior will provide a pecuniary opportunity for growth for our partners that improves climate change and environmental concerns. The goal is to reduce the increasing rise of environmental issues with the use of solar panels and to change society's behavior in order to allow consumers to adopt and use green energy alternatives to improve the quality of life. The core competency and advantages are that Green Energy Inc. has researched many of the most sustainable ways in which we can help save the environment, all while helping the consumer save money on their electric bill.
The SWOT analysis is an acronym for Business Assessment of the Internal Strengths and Weaknesses and its External Opportunities and Threats. The essence of the situational analysis is taking the standard of where the business has been and where it is now. Green Energy Incorporated's strengths include an organized and efficient management team backed by the support team and partners who are looking for advancement as well as profitable returns. With federal tax credits and abatement programs available, there are an excellent acceptance and opportunity in three market segments. As a result of great offerings and favorable market segments, there is an excellent financial projections and growth potential. Our weaknesses and threats, which we plan to overcome, include a limited public awareness, small workforce, advancement in technology and acceptance of green technology may expand other green alternative programs, causing a decrease in our sales. An expensive installation costs, even with the abatement and tax credits, may hamper the acceptance of the lower economic classes. And the expansion of other alternative energy sources may divide the available markets today, which will also increase the possibilities for larger competitors to enter each fragmented market. The industry analysis section provides the environment for the consequent and more detailed analysis of the competition. Our research and analysis determined the technology for other alternative green energy sources is less developed and could even be more costly. Due to the geographical limitations, consumers, both individual and businesses, may lack the availability for these alternatives. And lastly, other sources are not pragmatic and logical for general use versus solar panels, which can be used in any geographic region at the minimal cost to the consumers. The competitor analysis demonstrates our understanding of the industry and our major competitors. Currently, the industry has 154 billion in economic activity. Sales from 2007 to 2017 increased from 42 million to 210 million, as per Joshua D. Rhodes. There are only 14 US-based companies within the US. A good number of manufacturers are based overseas, as per finding the best silicone solar panels in the USA in the light of the new import tariff. Our business model provides unique opportunities for our installers and partners, as well as our customers, unlike any other major competitors in the market. Satisfying customers and offering a sincere value to them is one of our biggest concerns. The customer analysis section provides the insight to our target market as it identifies our target consumer. Currently, our customer base target and characteristics are homeowners, middle to high income families who have a desire to positively impact climate change and address environmental issues. The business owners who desire to incorporate a CSR campaign and who is knowledgeable of tax advantages to individual businesses looking to capitalize an increased refund or reduce tax liability while improving the quality of environment. Entrepreneurs who are eco-friendly looking to make a change. And the real estate developers who want to increase sales and promote green housing developments to many individuals looking for an opportunity to make a difference and save money in the long run for both our principals and their clientele. The market product focus. We understand the probabilities of success for a new product significantly upsurges if the objectives are well established and target markets and segments are identified. The section introduces how our current markets have been developed and how our new markets will be established. The current markets will be developed by increasing public awareness for tax credit and abatement programs as well as effects on climate change, and relationships with current clientele as well as other individuals who have acquired solar panels from other sources. Nurturing relationships with eco-friendly groups, businesses, and real estate developers looking to promote their practices with a viable CSR will increase repeat purchases as well as installations. Focusing on states with the best abatement programs will also increase distribution as well as installation and awareness. Growth in installer partnerships will generate added exposure, resulting in an increased awareness and sales. In the new markets, by the end of the fifth year, business will have expanded to new real estate developers, businesses, and installer partnerships nationwide. This will provide new clientele or new revenue from different geographic areas, collectively growing the company's marketability as well as profit and sales. The lack of significant points of difference is one of the major flaws of a product launch. We are delighted to identify our points of differences, which will make us a leader in this industry. Greenenergyincorporated has vast knowledge of federal and local tax credit and abatement programs that are available. The viability of the solar panels is that they are a better choice than wind or water alternative source energies. Our approach to increase awareness is built into the model, collectively nurturing our relationships through the organizational and installer partnership programs. Our company's CSR and much needed plan to make a change and difference to our environment and climate change. Our point of view and our positioning strategy includes a solution for climate change and environmental issues have been lacking in the past. Greenenergyincorporated has modeled a business plan and marketing strategy that provides practicality, affordability, economic opportunities for the companies and our partners, as well as a plan of action to mitigate environmental issues. This design and our mission is what sets us apart from our competitors and other manufacturers. Our product strategy. Our product line, we only manufacture the highest quality monocrystalline solar panels. With this in mind, the needs for individual households or business vary by size of systems, so that the retail cost with installation is roughly from $4,000 to $55,000, which also vary depending on size. The system size ranges from 2 kilowatt to 25 kilowatt homes or developments. Our product qualities is monocrystallines. We don't produce polycrystalline cells. Monocrystalline cells are solar panels are generally thought as a premium solar panel product. The main advantages to monocrystalline panels are the higher efficiency rates, This is also stated in Energy Sage in 2019 versus the polycrystalline cells. Taking into consideration the need to turn a profit, we have established a break-even point for the 2 kilowatt homes. Our BEP is roughly at 65 units, and we need to sell six units and able to turn a profit. Further analysis and similar illustrations for businesses and real estate developments have been incorporated and is available in the marketing plans provided. The elements of our promotion strategy is highlighted clearly. We have outlined our key programs for promotional strategy to include online platforms, free workshops to raise awareness, tax, finance, and to home buyers, organizational workshops which save the environment and CSRs, as well as showroom demonstrations and installer partnership programs. Our placing strategy describes our packaging and installation as well as our distribution. Our retail prices include packaging and installations, which include a site visit, the logistical paperwork, including permits, actual installation process, as well as the approval and interconnection. Our distribution is handled from the manufacturing warehouse where it is packaged and housed. Once the site visit is completed, estimated, and the order has been placed, the solar panels are then shipped to the installers, partners, located throughout the nation and installed. As sales and installer partnership grows, we will open more showrooms and increase workshops to raise awareness. Online and phone sales will be focused on states with higher abatement programs to increase the sales, and will shift as technology improves and awareness is more accepted. Our financial data and productions in 2018, the average of sales is displayed, totaling 100 sales to the homeowners, 50 to the business owners, and 10 to the real estate developers. Currently, 7 months in 2019, sales have grown dramatically. Currently, we have 105 sales to the homeowners, 70 to the business owners, and 11 to the developers, for a total profit of $888,850, an increase of 24% to the homeowners and an 18% to the business and 23% to the developers. Maintaining the same projections and increase by yearly, the forecasted sales in display here and in Figure 6 in the marketing plans previously submitted. These are the projections displayed continued every year.
At Green Energy Incorporated, we have a centralized organizational business structure. Our key leaders are the 3 member-managed entrepreneurs, Vincent Abu, Denise Almanza, and Stephanie Sbaldwin. As the leaders of this business, we are the primary decision makers and strive to make the best decisions for our company. Every decision we make is then spread throughout the company, and employees or independent contractors contact us when a problem arises. With this centralized structure, we are able to have reduced internal conflict, control over the entire company, and have a better ability to keep our vision for the company focused. All of our employees have defined roles and they each know what their job is, and this helps keep our company organized. With solar energy helping the environment, there are incentives available to those who choose to buy and install solar energy. These incentives include income tax credits, property tax credits, and other programs available to help promote green energy. Each state has its own credits and tax breaks available to consumers who purchase solar energy. We have broken our clients down into 3 market segments: homeowners, business owners, and real estate developers. This allows us to focus on each of their individual wants and needs and make sure we are always meeting them. If we aren't, we can see what needs to be changed and make proper decisions to improve our standards for our clients. There are a lot of consumers interested in helping the environment in any way they can. Going solar is a huge opportunity for them to go green. Green Energy Incorporated is focused on the needs of our clients and also our company as a whole. We have rules we follow and come up with creative ideas and plans to keep things running smoothly with everything. If a problem ever arises, we are determined to take the necessary steps needed in order to fix the problem. We will also put in a prevention plan should the problem arise again in the future, so we know how to handle it effectively. If a client is unhappy with an independent party hired through us, we will take it into our hands to make sure the problem is fixed immediately. We will then communicate with our independent party to put rules in place to keep the communication open and fix any future issues.
I hope you guys enjoyed our presentation. Once again, this is Vincent Anthony Vabu, Denise Almanza, and Stephanie Baldwin. As always, be good, be well, and God bless. Thank you.